guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we are in Margaritaville in Auburndale, Florida. It's an RV resort with cabins and all the amenities that a resort comes with. I will give you a full review and video on this campground. The site here, it's pulled through. It's very nice. It's paved with a patio. Comes with a table, grill. Very nice. Look how big it is. It's full hookup that you will find in any RV resort. I believe it's cable included as well. And yep, it is. Just haven't connected it yet. Very nice. Here, this side next to me is empty to give you an idea how big it is. That's what you get in a pull-through site. They also have regular back-in sites. There's an eagle habitat right there, and there should be a nest. I will try to get better pictures or a video where I get really close, but that right there is the nest. And this here are the premium sites. It's only for Class A motorhomes. Comes with a Tiki hut, full kitchen, TV, refrigerator, and all this view to yourself. Hammock. Very nice. Hey girls, what do you guys think about this place? You like it?
Yes.
What's the best part that you like?
The pool.
Okay. And that's the bar.
Yes, that's the bar.